I want to give this
It is
instruction.
important, sir, to download the Java.
Yes, actually, and here in the Google, just you have to type that Oracle only. Just Oracle, type on that. Then
Oracle,
here, yes,
Oracle Java.
no. Here, just you type on that Oracle only. Then automatically in the first link is that oracle.com. Then you have to click on this first link, Oracle India. So automatically here where you have to stay, that location, it can be automatically identified. And here it can be given that Oracle India is automatically choosing. So then you have to click on this link. Then automatically that Oracle website, it can be appear on that screen. So here today it can be appearing in this way actually, and tomorrow onwards maybe change. So this Java is the Oracle product. So here just you have to concentrate on that. And here are so many information also is there, but the Oracle product is the Java. That's why go to product, click on that product. Then automatically so many products is maintaining this under the Oracle. But here you have to click on that Oracle products.
Java.
And here,
Hardware, software, Java.
and here hardware and software, then Java is there. Just click on that Java. So whenever you click on the Java, then it can be right most in top. So one button is there, download Java. So go to this button, click on this button, just click on this button. Then and here the so many versions is available. Here JDK and JDK 21 and
Windows.
JDK 17, and these are all things. But so most properly the software developers, they have to be using Java 8 each and why, because we are choosing that Java 8. This is the interview question also. So each and every person in centrally, they have to be using that 8 in the sense. And previous for example some of the end users, they have to be using in old version, old operating systems, old applications, old mobile OS also, operating systems also. So in that purpose, it can be support the Java version. So in that way, so old version and the new versions also, it can be supported that Java version 8 actually. So then you have to choose that 8 only. So in that way, just you have to select on that version also. For example, here, so that's SC. SC in the sense of software enterprises. The software enterprises, for what purpose you have to use that SC? Tell me. Guys, for what purpose you have to use
Yes,
that
sir.
SC? SC, desktop application purpose. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And here, there are so many persons, when you are click on the download button, so automatically it can be given learn about Java SC subscription and download open JDK, and these are all things in unnecessarily they have to be clicking in each and every button. Don't use in that way. Here and 3 tabs is available: Linux version, Mac operating system, and Windows version. So in that purpose, just you have to select on that Windows only. So Windows version, it can be given that Windows version 64-bit level is there, and 32-bit level also is there. But my system is selecting already, is choosing 64-bit. So here version also it's available, Windows version. So click on this button. So automatically the Java, which version it can be suitable from your computer, then automatically it can be download. So, okay. So that is the way of, and here also, see here, it is visible my screen, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
So in here, the bottom side, Java SE, Java 8 version is available. So from this 8 version, just you have to select that 8 version. Then here also Linux and Mac and Solar AC and Windows versions is available. So almost in software companies, they should be concentrate on that only SC version, Java 8 SC version. So for the developing of Windows applications, and it can be providing this one number also 82391. So this is a version. This is a version actually. So version in the sense this number is a this much of times they have to be given the updates actually. So why they are providing that updates in the sense? So each and every software, this is the free version actually. So each and every software they should be maintain. They should be involved some of the nulls bugs. So depending on that nulls, hackers they have to be hacking the for this website and software also. So that hacking security level purpose they have to be given that updates. So this is the version Java version 8, and this is the number actually. And here just you have to select on that Windows. So Windows in two versions is there, bits is there, 86 installer and 64 installer. But how can you identify your system is a 64-bit or 32-bit? How can you identify? So on that purpose, just you have to select on that. I will give you this one. And here you have to type on that about. So here it is visible my screen about, guys.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Correct.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is the identification of that bit level, operating bit level. This is the desktop information. So on that purpose, just we have to go to the search button, and here it is there. In that search button, just you have to type on that about. So then automatically it can be open this page. This is the system type. Here it is the system type is there. That is a 64-bit operating system. So my system operating system is that 64-bit level. So depending on that, just you have to choose that bit level size. Here, this is the 86. Not only that, for example, you are using that Windows 10 operating system. That Windows 10 operating system also, there are two level of bits is available on that market. So that's why whenever installing that Java, you should be check out about your computer. Then only you have to install. So in my system using that 64-bit, so on that way, just you have to choose that JDK. So here it is very useful to us JDK. So programmers developing purpose, each and every programmer or developer, they have to be use this Java development kit, JDK in the sense Java development kit. So the Java development kit, the Java development kit, this one is that. And one more also is there, that is the JRE, Java Run Environment. So this type of JRE, system administrators, they have to be use this JRE. But the developer, they cannot be concentrated on this JRE. Only developer, they have to be using only JDK files only. So the JDK, whenever you click on this 64-bit, then automatically it can be given a one link and select on check mark, just give that check mark. Here you have to choosing this SE for SC for
Android
Ja-
edition.
yes,
Android edition.
Android.
Desktop application.
Yes, very good. To the development of that desktop applications only. Oh, in that way, you have to choosing this SC. So here, click on that JDK, then automatically that JDK, it can be downloaded. See here, it is downloaded. So already I downloaded that file, and here is there. So whenever it is downloaded that, then you have to click on this. Yes, already in my system is installed that Java. And some of the persons already know that how to install that how to install that Java, and these are all things. See here, I want to share my system, guys. One moment. It is visible, Java installation, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Then you have to click on that next. Then automatically preparing that installation. So must and should you have to choose 64-bit or 32-bit. It is very necessity before the installation of the Java. Then it automatically it can be downloaded that development toolkit. Then you have to select that next. So this is the way of that installation. Okay, it's going on that process. Then you have to choose, and so here I want to share that. And one more, this is the download and how to install. How to install. And fourth one, how to verify whether Java is properly installed or not. How to verify whether Java is properly installed in our system. Tell me guys, how to check in your system the Java are installed or not. How can you check, guys? Anybody? Sorry.
We'll get that
Any-
application in the desktop.
What is that? Sorry.
We'll get that application in the desktop.
No. After the completion of that installation, it cannot be given that shortcut on the desktop. How can you identify it?
Open the
Going to
command.
downloads.
We'll give the command.
Where you give the command
Command prompt.
in command prompt? What you have to give
Yeah.
that command? What is that?
Java C. Java C.
Java C. Okay. So here, guys,
Java C space file name.
no. Here you cannot be without the installation. After the completion of that installation, you cannot be write the any program, but how can you identify the Java is installed or not? It can be identified or not. So in that in that purpose, just you have to go that run. Go that run. It is visible. Run, guys.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So here, just you have to type on that CMD. CMD, press the enter, then automatically it can be open that command prompt. And here Java C only. So Java C is that Java is the application. It is not having any abbreviation of the Java. Already yesterday we already discussed that. Java C is the compiler. Compiler in the sense that is the translator or converter. So in that purpose, you have to know that the mission level language and user level language. So for the given to the system instructions given to the system, for that purpose, you have to use that compiler. So why? Because our language, it cannot be understand that computer. So in that way, you have to use that in between human and computer. In between, you have to use that one translator. So the translator name is that compiler, or some persons they have to be calling that compiler engine or compiler mission, or some persons they have to be using that compiler. So this is the Java compiler. And if you want to use that C programming, so in that purpose, the C compiler and C++ programming, the C++ compiler is available. And if you want to use any Python, so in that purpose, you have to use that Python compiler. So, and here we have to using the Java, and that's why Java compiler it can be using. So if it is installed or not in our system, in that purpose, you have to use that Java C, then press the enter. Press the enter. So whenever it is giving this much of information, libraries and files, and these are all information, so then automatically install in your computer. One moment, guys. One moment.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Guys, sorry. So so here, whenever it is giving this much of information, then automatically you have to identify it. the Java is there in your system. So here, two type of path assignments is available. Actually, temporary Java path is available and permanent Java path is available. So in that purpose, just you have to concentrate on that. One moment. So here, two types that path actually. So how can you give the temporary path